want to talk about how to put this modified sob into a flow hood. And you can make your cut across like I did, or make armholes through here, but I cut it out so that way you can get stuff in that a lot easier. You got your flange that's right here, and then you got the coupler that's right there. You will have to cut about an inch off of this flange to be able to fit onto this clamp coupler, so once you get that done, you'll put this right here up underneath, right where I'm having this one put in. You fit it in there, and then you put the clamp right in. And now you take the flange and then the coupler right there, and you tighten it down, and then you'll put your inline fan where the air is running out this direction. It'll show you up here, usually at the top of where the airflow is going to, and you'll put it down that way so the air goes out that direction. And then I'll show you how to put that filter on that inline fan. Now you'll take this nano tape right here, and you'll go around the top of this, right in this area where that filter meets. So you kind of want it between right in that area, all the way around. Of course, this is a 4-inch. That's a little 4-inch. I think it's 4.5 inches, and how wide the bottom side is. But if you noticed, it's got a deal up here on the top where it closes off the air, and you'll put it up here, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. Once you put the nano tape on, try to make sure it's nice and tight as much as possible. Try to make sure you don't have a lot of these air pockets. Make sure the seal between here is perfectly sealed up. You want to make sure that's perfect so there ain't no air coming through, so you don't get no contamination. You work your way all the way around this whole thing, and you take this right here, you set it directly up on top. If it goes on there correctly. I might take a few tries here, and you set it there like that. You squish it down, hold one end here on the bottom, pushing your hand against it, push that down airtight. Just make sure you don't mess up the filter that's going on to this inline fan. I set mine, my deal right here, I put some nano tape right behind this and glued it right here so it's got a place to stay. So I hope this video helps you in building this. This is my second attempt. Of course, the thing new that I done was, put a big enough hole to actually put stuff in here, and be able to maneuver a lot easier, and be able to get in the back, wipe everything down inside. This is a lot better than the wood, because wood's porous. This is not porous. You can clean it, Lysol it, alcohol it, whatever, get it sterilized. So hope this video helps you guys to build this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and follow if you will, please. Thank you.